Discussing the disorders of parathyroid gland. Hypoparathyroidism reflects deficient PTH secretion resulting in hypocalcemia. The causes can be congenital, acquired, autoimmune. In the congenital causes, there is DeGeorge syndrome, also known as 22q11 deletion syndrome, caused by deletion of small segment of chromosomal 22. Symptoms can include congenital heart problems. There will be specific facial features. There will be developmental delays, learning problems, and cleft palate. Inacquired causes can be due to neck surgery, particularly in the surgery involves removal of a parathyroid adenoma, thyroidectomy, or bilateral neck resection for cancer. In the autoimmune disease, these anti-parathyroid antibodies have been detected in some persons with hypoparathyroidism, particularly those with multiple autoimmune disorders such as type 1 diabetes, Graves' disease, Hashimoto's disease, and vitiligo. Heavy metal damage, such as that occurring in Wilson's disease, metastatic tumors, and functional impairment of parathyroid function occurs with magnesium deficiencies. Now, the manifestations include technique with muscle cramps and carpal pedal spasm. The carpal pedal is an indication of latent technique. Torsion signs occurs in the carpal pedal spasms when the upper arm is compressed as by a tourniquet or a blood pressure cuff. And Chauvistic sign is an abnormal spasm of the facial muscle that is illustrated by lightly tapping the patient's facial nerve near his lower jaw. Paresthesia, such as tingling of the circumoral area in the hands and feet, are almost always present. Low calcium levels may cause prolongation of the QT interval, resistance to digitalis, hypotension, and refractory heart failure. Symptoms include lethargy, anxiety states, personality changes. There may be blurring of visions due to cataract over developing over a number of years. Extrapyramidal signs such as those seen with Parkinson's disease. Diagnosis is based on low plasma calcium levels, high plasma phosphate levels, and low plasma parathyroid hormone levels. Plasma magnesium levels usually are measured to rule out hypomagnesemia as a cause of the disorder. Treatment: IV calcium gluconate followed by oral administration of calcium salts and vitamin D. Magnesium supplementation is used when the disorder is caused by magnesium deficiency. Persons with chronic hypoparathyroidism are treated with oral calcium and vitamin D, and plasma calcium levels are monitored. Now, hyperparathyroidism is caused by hypersecretion of parathyroid hormone. Manifestations: patients manifest as the primary disorder caused by hyperplasia or due to an adenoma and rarely carcinoma of the parathyroid gland, or a secondary disorder seen in patients with chronic renal failure, chronic malabsorption of calcium. Parathyroid adenomas and hyperplasia can occur in several distinct familiar diseases including multiple endocrine neoplasia, men type 1 and 2A. Patients can have peptic ulcer, pancreatitis, can have bone lesions, and can, like osteitis, fibrosis cystica, can have kidney stones, renal infections, can present with renal failure, muscular dystrophy. Now the types, primary and the secondary. Primary hyperparathyroidism seen more commonly after 50 years, more common in women than men, and primary causes hypercalcemia and increase in calcium in the urine filtrate resulting in hypercalciuria and the potential for development of kidney stones. Secondary involves hyperplasia of the parathyroid glands, occurs primarily in persons with renal failure. The bone disease seen in people with secondary hyperparathyroidism due to renal failure is known as chronic kidney disease mineral bone disorder, CKD-MPD. This disorder has three major pathophysiological manifestations including abnormal metabolism of calcium, phosphate, vitamin D, or parathyroid hormone, calcification of soft tissues or vessels, and abnormalities in bone turnover. The treatment includes resolving the hypercalcemia with IV fluids intake. Patients with mild disease are advised to keep active and drink adequate fluids. They are also advised to avoid calcium-containing antacids, vitamin D, and thiazide diuretics, which increase reabsorption of calcium by the kidney. Parathyroidectomy, neuroanalogs of activated vitamin D are being developed. that retain the ability to suppress the parathyroid function while having minimal effects on calcium or phosphorus absorption. Now, to summarize, the hyperparathyroidism causes increase in the parathyroid hormone, increase in calcium, decrease in phosphorus, and hypoparathyroidism causes a decrease in parathyroid hormone levels, decrease in calcium, and increase in phosphorus levels. Thank you.